Ready to transform your website's potential and build a marketing campaign that truly hits the mark? Today, we're diving into Google Tag Manager to show you exactly how to set up and track website goals, unlocking valuable insights for your marketing success. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account and select the container for your website. This is the starting point for everything we'll be doing. Next, think about what actions you want to track. Are you tracking form submissions, clicks on a specific button, or maybe a user watching a video? Identify these goals, which are the cornerstone of our tracking. Now, let's create a new tag for one of these goals by clicking on New at the top of the tag section. When the tag configuration screen opens, you'll see a variety of different tag types, such as Google Analytics GA for event, which is common for tracking events. Select the tag type that fits your identified action. For example, if you're tracking a form submission, it's likely you will use Google Analytics GA for event. Proceed to configure the tag by entering relevant information and settings, such as the event name, and how to set the tracking parameters. After the tag configuration setup is completed, move on to selecting the trigger. Click on the triggering section to configure how and when this tag fires to capture information for your goals. Here, you'll tell Google Tag Manager when to fire the tag. Is it when a user clicks a button? This requires a click trigger. Is it on a page load? Use a page view trigger. Consider your goal and configure your trigger accordingly. Be specific, focusing on the action you want to track. Once you open your specific trigger, create the variables and rules. Select the type of trigger, all clicks or just clicks, then add filters and conditions for when the tag is going to fire. For instance, if you're tracking a form submission, filters can include the element, the class, or the ID of the button users are clicking. Each action will require a different setup based on your website structure. Great job! Now we will save the configuration, check and recheck your settings to ensure accuracy. Click Save for the tag and the trigger. Finally, to make everything live on your website, click the Submit button at the top right. Publish your changes to make the tags active on your site. This step includes naming the version and adding a brief description. Then, click Publish. Now, go back and test your creation using the preview mode in Google Tag Manager. Is crucial to verify that everything is working as expected. After publishing, your goals should start turning up in Google Analytics. Use your analytics dashboards to track the performance of your goals to fine-tune the campaigns that bring you the best outcomes. Remember, with Google Tag Manager, you're equipped to understand user behavior, measure marketing campaign effectiveness, and amplify the success of your online presence. So, go out there, track your goals, and unlock your marketing potential. #Google Goals #Marketing Campaign.